Q8891. What is the purpose of MOAs? A. To protect military aircraft operations from civil aircraft. B. To separate military training activities from IFR traffic. C. To separate military training activities from both IFR and VFR traffic. The correct answer is B. Military operations areas, MOAs, are designated areas of airspace with set vertical and lateral boundaries that are used to separate some military training operations from IFR traffic. 8892. Who is responsible for collision avoidance in an MOA? A. Military controllers. B. ATC controllers. C. Each pilot. The correct answer is C. In an MOA, collision avoidance is the responsibility of each individual pilot operating within that airspace. While military controllers and ATC, air traffic control, may provide services and assistance, ultimately, it is the responsibility of each pilot to maintain vigilance, practice proper see and avoid techniques, and adhere to the applicable rules and regulations. MOAs are designed to facilitate military training activities, and the nature of these operations may involve high-speed military aircraft conducting maneuvers that differ from normal civilian aircraft operations. Pilots operating within or near an MOA should be particularly alert and take necessary precautions to avoid potential conflicts with other aircraft. While ATC controllers and military controllers may provide traffic advisories and assistance to the extent possible, the primary responsibility for collision avoidance rests with each individual pilot operating within the MOA. 9049. Which aeronautical chart depicts military training routes, MTR, above 1,500 feet? A. IFR low altitude en route chart. B. IFR high altitude en route chart. C. IFR planning chart. The correct answer is A. A list of all military training routes, MTR, that permit operations over 1,500 feet AGL is shown on the IFR Enroute low altitude chart. 9100. What is the maximum acceptable position tolerance for penetrating a domestic ADIZ over land? A. Plus or minus 10 miles, plus or minus 10 minutes. B. Plus or minus 20 miles, plus or minus 5 minutes. C. Plus or minus 10 miles, plus or minus 5 minutes. The correct answer is C. Within plus 5 minutes of the anticipated time over a reporting point or point of penetration, and within 10 nm of the planned track center line over an estimated reporting point or point of penetration, are the aircraft position tolerances over land in a domestic ADIZ. 9741. What is the maximum acceptable position tolerance for penetrating a domestic ADIZ over water? A. Plus or minus 10 miles, plus or minus 10 minutes. B. Plus or minus 10 miles, plus or minus 5 minutes. C. Plus or minus 20 miles, plus or minus 5 minutes. The correct answer is C. Within 20 nm of the intended track center line over an estimated reporting point or point of penetration, and plus or minus 5 minutes from the anticipated time over C, are the aircraft position tolerances in a domestic ADIZ.